Oh my goodness, look how adorable this is. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back y'all. Welcome back y'all. Welcome back. Today I want to thank Vevor today for sponsoring this video, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing as well as a sublimation project, okay? So behind me you will see this box here. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to set up and we're going to go ahead and sublimate with it. So let's get to unboxing. Let go. I am so excited because this is an auto press. It's 12 by 15 and I'm so excited to use it, okay? This is what it looks like on the inside, nice and packaged. Here is the user manual. Tough tools, half price. We're going to go ahead and grab it out of here. Here is the power cord, the user manual. Okay, so this is what came with it. The heat press user manual, the cord. Here is the Vevor Tough Tools, half price. Here is the, I'm assuming this is an on and off as well as the control, temperature and time. Okay. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it up. Okay. So now let's go ahead, grab the control. We turned it on. Oh, looky. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's so cute. Okay. So now it's on. This is, of course, the heat palette. These are sturdy. These are the heat pads. This is what the bottom looks like. Okay. And then this is, of course, what gets hot. Okay. So this is 12 by 15. And it's actually warming up. So I am going to, let's look at the directions. Because I don't know what to do. So here are the directions. Temperature display, the knob switch, the start button, a time display, time unit, centigrade, and Fahrenheit. So for the temperature setting, you turn the display half to the right, enter the temperature setting mode. After a beep sound, turn the switch to the right to increase the temperature, turn the switch to the left to reduce. For the time, turn the display half a turn to the left, enter the countdown settings there so you hear the beep. Okay, perfect. So we are going to, it's at 392. Okay. I'm setting it for 400 and I want it at 60 seconds. I'm not sure if you guys could see that, but okay, so we're going to do 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And then once it's warmed up, we can come back. Okay, so that was actually pretty quick and it does beep once it gets hot. So you can hear that. Okay, so now we have the design that we're going to be using as well as the mouse pad. And what I'm going to do is lint roll the mouse pad. Okay. We're going to lint roll the mouse pad. I'm going to take the butcher paper, put it onto the heat press. I'm going to put my mouse pad that I already lint rolled on there. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the image. Make sure that the image is completely covered. You want to make sure that the image is completely covered. Okay, so I taped it up, made sure everything was covered. So hopefully it's covered completely because it is a little bit tight, y'all. I should have made the image a little bit bigger. But we're going to go ahead and see how it goes. It's at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. I pressed it. Here's the first press. Okay, so it is counting down. We're at 13. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this, but it's counting down, and we're going to see how it works. Okay, and here is the moment of truth. I'm going to go ahead and let it just sit for a second, and we're going to cross our fingers and see how it turned out. Can you guys see me? Yeah. We take this thing up. So I'm taking the butcher paper off. Okay. And then we're going to pull it up. Okay. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So here is the first press. So here is the first press. So this is new, so I will be working with if I should have pressed it longer, pressed it again, different things like that. But here is the first press, and we will be getting used to it. Okay, so I was not happy with the first press, and it was only because the machine wasn't hot enough. It was the first time ever. As soon as it hit 400, I pressed it versus letting it get acclimated and a little bit hotter. You can see already that this is hotter. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, guys. I'm going to let it just sit for a second. Okay, guys. So I let it just sit for a second so that the ink could penetrate through. And you know, I'm honestly thinking the first time it wasn't as hot because it was my first time ever and it wasn't hot enough. This time I could see the colors coming through. It definitely looks hotter. So I'm hoping it'll be an even deeper color press. Okay, so it's been sitting for a second. I'm going to go ahead and remove the butcher paper. And then we're going to go ahead, all of this tape. And we're going to go ahead and reveal it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. The first time it wasn't hot enough. Oh, yes. This looks so cute. Okay, I had to do it again because the first time ever wasn't hot enough. But, baby, these colors are popping now. Yay! That's why you have to just try things out. This looks amazing. Oh, yeah, I'm happy with it. Quick shout out to Heat Transfer Warehouse Walla Sublimation Paper. Okay? Oh my goodness, look how beautiful. Look at, I love the color blue when it gets sublimated. Blues always look really good. And you know it's popping when the melanin is popping. Yay! Okay, it looks amazing. I'm going to show you the difference. Because you may not have even saw it the first time. But it just wasn't hot enough. It was the first time ever. And I literally, as soon as it got hot, I put it on there. But you can clearly see the difference in the two. Look how amazing that looks. But these colors are popping. And I love it. Okay, I'm so excited. All right, let's talk about it. But first, let's turn it off. Okay, so this is real cool. To turn it off, you just hold it down for about 6 seconds. And to turn it on, you just do the same thing. Okay, cool. All right, so that was our first press. Now let's talk about it. You guys, look how cute and popping these colors are. Seriously, take a look at this. I need y'all to I need it to focus. Look how good that looks. Those colors are popping 10, just the way we like it. There's no other way for sublimation over here at Do Dream On. The colors have to pop, and these are popping 10. So I am actually really impressed so far with the Vevor. I think it's cool. I really like the way they look. The aesthetics are really cute. It's sleek. It's cute. It's not that large. It does what it's supposed to do. I think that is really cute. It's sleek, and I like it so far. This literally was my first time pressing it, but we have a lot more that we're going to be pressing, getting into it. But so far, so good. the colors is where it's at, y'all. This is why I like it. Okay, so not only is this cute, it stands for something. Barbie, you can be anything. And then it shows all the different types of jobs Barbie had, and then the diversity, the inclusion, and I absolutely love the message that we're sending, because you too can do anything. Do dream on. So I want to shout out Vevor one more time. Thank you, thank you, thank you for this heat press. So if you're interested, the links will be down in the description. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dream One is the handle. TikTok, Do Dream One is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.